Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, and today I'm doing a blue halo eyeshadow look. Right now I'm using Maybelline's Blur and Smooth Primer, and your girl is being a little bit extra ready because I have oily skin, and doing 2 layers of that one would do me justice. Next is the eyeshadow primer. I'm using NYX or NYX, whichever one you prefer, eyeshadow base primer. And I used to do just concealer, but over the years I've realized that if you want your eyeshadow to really stick for a very long time, you need a good primer. It's beginner friendly and affordable. Right now they have a sale going on for 30% off, so I suggest you go cop that. Right here I'm going in with a second coat. You really only need one, but for reassurance for me, I do too. I decided to use James Charles Morphe palette, going in with the dark blue shade, using my NYX tapered blending brush in the number 30, and patting it on the outer and inner corners of my eye. Start out with a little, then build up to your desired look. I'm using this mini shader brush to blend out the harsh lines. Going in with Playground on the inner parts of the shadow, using my e.l.f. cut crease brush. You're basically layering your eyeshadows on top of each other and fading them in to make an ombre effect. As you can see here, I'm using a sweeping motion when applying Playground to the inner end of the shadow, then building up more and more, then patting to blend towards Cola. Going back into the shade Cola, using my taper brush to add a little more product to the outer and inner corners of my eyeshadow. Taking my LA Girl concealer, using my flat brush and making a sweeping motion in the middle of my lid. When doing this, you don't want to be heavy-handed. Going back in with Playground, using my cut crease brush to add a little bit more product to blend out the concealer. Then I'm adding my NYX glitter primer, and y'all, when I tell y'all this is the bomb.com, for beginners this is a must have. Must have. My fingers to apply my shimmer. I feel like it's better than using a regular brush because, you know, product falls off. But with your finger, it just applies a little bit better. Going back and adding Playground on top of Hello. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade Mocha. Maybe it's just me, but lately when it comes down to foundation shades, either I go too light or too dark, and then when I find the shade that is like closest to me, I have to mix it with another foundation in order to get the look that I'm looking for. Using my LA Girl concealer in Fawn, I mixed it with the foundation a little bit to, you know, make it a little bit softer. Y'all, please don't mind me. My song was playing in the background and I just had to act it out. For contour, I'm using e.l.f.'s Cream Contour Palette in the shade Dark, using my foundation brush that I got from Amazon. I'm not a huge fan of cream contours. It just feels weird and it doesn't give me the same payoff as a powder contour. I'm using Black Opal setting powder in shade 06 to set my concealer using my NYX buffing brush. For eyeliner, I'm using e.l.f.'s pen liner. I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to fill in towards my lash line for when I apply my lashes. I decided to go in with the shade Cola using my mini brush to make a smoky effect. The details about these lashes will be in the description box below. Well, that's pretty much it, you guys. I will be posting Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post bell notifications so you can know when your girl is posting. If you guys want to see more of this, please put it in the comment section below. Bye.